eres pa' mí, baby. Coméntale de mí que por
Hey guys, so I hope y'all enjoy this video. I tried to incorporate a little summer look for y'all. I know summer's almost over, but I hope y'all enjoy it. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Yara Sparkle. Thank you for subscribing and liking. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and like. I would love y'all to be a part and join me in this adventure. Okay, so right now we are taking this orange color and we're just blending it on my eyelid. And the look that we're kind of going for today is a summer look. It's a very light. It's not a very heavy look. We're going in with a fluffy brush right here, and we're packing on that same orange color. And now we're going with Erase Me Benefit. And we're going to create that cut crease. So right here, you just want to create a shape, basically the shape of your eyelid, and just form that with the concealer. And then you want to wing it out. Just like that. And later on we're going to put eyeliner on, so it's gonna make it pop. Right here I'm going in with this white color. This white is going to go ahead and go on top of the concealer to set it, and then we're going to go in with a yellow and pack that on top of the white so the yellow can become more apparent. And then you're going to take some orange and dust it on top of that, and what that's going to do is it's going to stick to the edges of the concealer and it's going to be darker. And now we're going to do the same thing to the other side, and then once again you're just going to take the white and pack it on top after you create that wing with the concealer to set it. And there goes the white and the yellow going right on top. And then we're taking a fluffy brush and blending it out and adding more orange. And then you're adding more yellow. Just packing the two colors on, that's basically it. And now we're blending. Now we're going to eyebrows. That was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Auburn. Enjoy this color. And before that, I was just cleaning up just a little bit because I do have that eyeshadow that was blocking my eyebrow a little bit. And now all you're doing is just filling in your eyebrows. I like to start at the end and create a line and then keep working my way up. And now all I'm doing is filling that area in a little bit more with that orange before I fill in my next eyebrow. And now I'm going in with that Benefit Erase. cleaning that up to make it look sharper. Make them look more symmetrical. We're going in and finishing that eyebrow. You see how I went in and did the end first. If y'all want an eyebrow tutorial, just let me know. Comment below for an eyebrow tutorial, and I will do an in-depth video on how I do my eyebrows. Okay, so now we're going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, and I'm using a lighter tone. I think this is the 2.0, and I'm going in and I'm using it as a concealer because I do like the coverage that it gives. And I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows and my eyeshadow at the moment. As you see, I did start off this tutorial with my eyeshadow and my eyebrows. And we're just cleaning everything up, making it look all nice and neat. Alright, and now I'm going in with the Fit Me by Maybelline, the foundation. And I think it's the 135. And I'm going in and using it, I'm putting it all over my face, blending out my eyeshadow. And we're just blending it in. Putting some more on, blending that in. Coming out those eyebrows, buffing out any harsh lines. Okay, now we're going in with contour. This is just a regular bronzer. I'm just going in with the powder and putting it on my face. This is the Blush and Glow kit from Target, and it is amazing. I have to tell you that this highlighter is the bomb diggity. I'm going in with eyeliner now. And by the way, guys, this video is not sponsored at all. Just doing a simple wing, which has taken a lot of practice. So let's not call it simple, guys. Waiting for that to dry. Okay, and now we're going in with the highlight. And we're putting some on the inner corners. And you need to add some orange to the inner corners as well. And then the gold on the eyelids. And then we go in with mascara. Now guys, I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. This was a simple summer highlight on fleek, orange cut crease. Y'all subscribe. Have a great day. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see y'all soon.